They can't wait to beat you, Jacob.
If you're gonna sit there and say you're gonna beat people, you are gonna leave the scene.
Are you gonna run your mouth or you gonna shut up?
Why you need a supervisor?
I just want to talk to him about you. I'm a free citizen on private property. I have a right to free speech.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Every once in a while, the cops mess with the wrong one, like Chris.
Could you get your ID for me?
Why?
Because we're trespassing you guys from their property and we're trespassing them from your property.
I'm not going to give you my ID.
Well, if you fail to ID or identify yourself, we're just going to take you to jail.
You're threatening me that you're going to arrest me if I don't give you my ID.
If you don't identify yourself, yeah.
Well, you're on my property, sir. Get off my property. I'm not identifying myself when I did nothing wrong.
The officer's misconduct lit a fire under him, and in Chris's case, he saw to it that the officer that arrested him was fired, which is similar to how this channel got its start.
Get inside.
I'm good.
Get inside. Get inside. Did you hear me? We need you to get inside.
For what?
The guy comes running out here with a gun. What do you think?
Then I'll get inside.
Okay, I will be back to arrest you if you don't get inside.
You're gonna arrest me on my own property for standing
up.
up.
To arrest you.
Okay.
You're gonna get arrested.
For standing on my porch?
Okay, thank you. I give you lawful order. I'm trying to.
For standing on my porch.
I don't have to worry about you. You need to move out the way. Okay, I'll be back with the summons. You can explain it.
You got it. You'll talk to my lawyer. What's your name and badge number then? Hey, name and badge number. You fucking welfare recipient. But today's story is about Billy. I first featured Billy over 2 years ago after his encounter with a Richmond County Sheriff's deputy in Georgia.
You're the photographer?
Yes, sir.
You got the good eye?
Kind of.
You saw the 5 signs that say no trespassing?
Where?
5.
Oh, shit.
5 sign. You don't have an ID on you?
You don't need my ID. We're good.
Where's mom work?
I'll answer any question you have when we're present.
Dad decided he wanted a lawyer before he talks to me anymore. Your son has told me he doesn't need to answer any more of my questions, so you're gonna have to go to court. Actually, I've never had a juvenile as snarky as he is. He doesn't want to take responsibility for his actions. And dad is not any better, but you know, son's being snarky. I'm gonna do a 5J unruly on him. Where you decide you wanted a lawyer, you're making a spontaneous utterance to me that you're making money off of your channels.
I don't know. I didn't utter anything to you. I'm just saying. Am I free to leave?
Spontaneous. Oh yeah, you're free to leave.
All right, have a good day.
Spontaneous utterance. That's what you want the lawyer for the record.
The experiences he endured created a monster. Since then, Billy started the channel Shields of Shame and has become my go-to guy when I have difficulties with records requests. But recently, in September of 2024, Billy woke up to a commotion outside his home, and when he went outside to check out what was happening, there were multiple Lakeland police officers and his son was on the sidewalk being patted down.
I don't know why you guys are here though. Can I talk to you? Yeah, please, because I don't understand.
Billy's son can be heard disagreeing with the neighbor about a noise complaint, but the tone of the conversation appears calm and somewhat respectful.
I hear y'all banging every day. I don't say nothing about that.
This is Officer Garibaldi. For some reason, Jacob's chat with the neighbor causes the officer to grab Jacob from behind and detain him in handcuffs.
Bro, you wake me up at 6 a.m. every day, man.
Jacob, shut up! Shut your mouth! What the hell is wrong with you?
Hey, I apologize. Yes, sir, I apologize.
Don't you see all these police around you, son?
Yes, sir, I'm sorry about that.
They can't wait to beat you, Jacob.
Why do I deserve this? I work hard, bro, every day.
This is Officer Vanderpool, and Billy's warning to his son has caught this officer's attention.
Hey, tell that guy to go.
You got anything to do with any of this?
I literally came out here to y'all put them in handcuffs. I don't know what's going on. They will beat you, boy.
Billy's second warning is either misheard or twisted by Vanderpool, who now tells Billy to go inside.
Hey. You go on in the house?
I got a First Amendment right to steal his private property.
You don't have a First Amendment right to talk trash and say you're going to beat people.
I'm not talking trash.
Or if you're being recorded by this too. If you're going to sit there and say you're going to beat people, you are going to leave the scene.
Billy obviously never said he would beat people.
They will beat you, boy.
But perhaps old Vanderpool is losing his hearing. but he walks off after a few words. The commotion caused by Vanderpool's gaslighting prompts Garibaldi to walk over to Billy, who is aching to put another man in cuffs for speaking in his presence.
Because you're antagonizing, or you're going to go in the back of the car with him.
You want to continue? You want to continue? I don't care.
Okay.
You can record me. This is you record. I'm recording you two right now. Are you going to run your mouth or you going to shut up? Which one you going to do?
I'm not answering more questions.
Okay. All right.
After intimidating Billy into silence, chilling his First Amendment right to free speech, he returns to his scene, and a moment later, old Vanderpool appears again.
Hey, how you doing? Nobody cares that you record that.
You're really unprofessional, you know that? And I'm going to file a complaint on you.
Billy is currently working on obtaining body cam footage, so we can hear what Officer Garibaldi says here. Jacob has been told that he is under arrest, but there was no crime.
They all came in super hot, ready to beat, ready to shoot, ready to take action. That's what they do.
Several officers come and go, looking for something to charge Jacob with, as speaking to your neighbor about a noise complaint happens to not be an arrestable offense.
They came in hot. They came in hot and they was ready to do something crazy. I'm gonna report every single one of them to Internal Affairs. I'm gonna get the body cam from Miss Yarborough tonight. Hey, sir, what's your name? What's your name, sir?
Smith.
Smith. What's your name, sir?
Boxing.
Y'all got your body cams on?
Yeah.
All right, great.
No, they're just for decoration.
Yeah, very professional, man. I'm reporting you too. Very professional. They're gonna arrest me for being on private property filming. That was a retaliatory strike on the First Amendment. They don't like being filmed. They really don't.
After Jacob is removed from the scene, Billy requests a supervisor.
Sir, I'm requesting a supervisor.
Okay. You can talk to them.
What's your name? What's your name?
Officer Garibaldi,
What's your badge number?
164.
You haven't-
Why you need a supervisor? I can call him right now. For what?
I just want to talk to him about you.
For me? Okay.
Yeah, you're unprofessional.
Yeah.
Very unprofessional.
And you for being,
For recording you?
Yeah, I don't care.
It's a First Amendment violation to retaliate on me for filming you.
And you, no, hey, it's fine. And you, for being an adult, you act like a child.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's very unprofessional. You saying that. Just letting you know. Where's your supervisor? I bet you got a lot of public complaints on you. I'm gonna find out.
Sergeant Hall responds to the scene to take Billy's complaint.
Hey, how are you, sir?
Supervisor?
Yes, sir, I did.
I'm a supervisor. Can you come over and talk to me?
Yeah. You got your body?
Recording too.
You got your body cam on?
Absolutely.
Thank you. I just want to report that officer right there for being unprofessional.
In what way?
That he came up to me in my face. I got it all on video.
Okay.
And he got in my face and told me to shut up or he's going to take action.
Okay.
He threatened me.
What was going on at the time?
Whatever y'all had going on, my son, has nothing to do with me.
Okay.
I was sitting right here on this bench, minding my own business, watching, telling my son to shut up, stop arguing with him or they'll beat him. That triggered him. He got mad about that.
Well,
he came over and told me to keep my mouth shut. I'm a free citizen on private property. I have a right to free speech. That's a retaliatory strike on the First Amendment, what he just did.
Okay.
Okay. So I just want to let you know. What's your name?
Sergeant Hall, H-A-L-L.
Sergeant
Badge number
Hall.
is 85.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate your professionalism, but he was very unprofessional, and the other officer too. I'm gonna watch the video.
Okay.
I'm gonna send it to IA tonight.
That's fine.
Because I gotta identify him because of what he said to me.
All right. Well, do what you got to do.
You don't like being filmed, do you?
I'm
That's
filming
what-
you.
You keep trying to walk off.
No,
I never
is there
said we were
anything-
done.
You said that you were going to file a complaint.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm filing with you right now, verbally.
You want a brochure?
I do. Yeah, please.
Let me go get
And
that
your
I'll
business
bring it.
card if you have one.
I don't have a card, but my badge number is 85.
Okay.
Last name Hall, H-A-L-L.
That's sir. Thank you. Your professionalism is way better than his and that other cops. I tell you that. I'm not going to do anything. You don't have to stand there with your hand on your gun, man. That's ridiculous what you're doing.
It's just the way I stand.
No, that's what you're doing. You got your hand on your gun. You ready to got your hand on your taser and your gun? Like I'm an old man. I'm 54.
I'm standing here being comfortable.
I'm
sir.
unarmed. You want to search me? You want to do a cherry pat?
I don't.
All right. You're dismissed. Get off my property, man. Get off the property. You're dismissed. Bye. Get off the property.
I'm here assisting my sergeant.
Get off the property. I'm asking you. This is the last time I'm asking.
Yeah, you have a good day, sir.
You're gonna get sued if you don't.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm unarmed. He don't need to have his hand on his gun and taser. I'm unarmed, sir. I mean no harm.
Well, I will say that as a habit, you know, sometimes it kind of gets kind of awkward keeping your hands down here. If you have something up here on your waistband, it kind of gives you a place to rest your hands. So it's not all necessary about somebody getting ready to pull a gun or anything.
He was ready. He was ready. He was ready to pull.
But everything that you need to do to file a complaint is inside of that brochure.
Right, I understand.
It's currently believed that the officers were unable to find a valid reason to arrest Billy's son, as he wasn't actually arrested or charged. Instead, he was taken into custody under the Baker Act, which allows healthcare professionals, courts, and law enforcement to force a person into a 72-hour hold in a mental health facility for evaluation. It's often named something different in other states and is sometimes referred to as a 5150, but in Florida alone, nearly 200,000 people per year are detained for involuntary examinations, more than any other state, and nearly a quarter of those are children. But the Baker Act is supposed to only be used in rare circumstances when necessary to prevent someone from harming themselves or others. But it appears that it is used in lieu of an arrest, when probable cause cannot be determined, or in retaliation.
A jury recently awarded the woman more than $500,000 in damages, and now she's hoping others learn from her ordeal.
A Miami-Dade schools police officer took her to the ground, into custody, and Baker acted her as she recorded video on a street near her home.
Why are you coming?
Now, a jury finding Williams did not have probable cause to commit Corey to a mental institution or reason to believe she would harm others or herself. The jury rejected Williams' claim to qualified immunity, awarding Corey $520,000 in damages for physical and mental harm.
Once the body cam footage is in for this incident, I'll be sure to show it. But to follow this case more closely, and all the others that Billy is investigating, be sure to check out his channel link in the comments down below.
I'm also known as Shields of Shame.
Shields of Shame?
Yeah.
Is that an organization?
I run a journalist.
Oh, okay.
I'm a journalist. I'm an activist.
Here locally?
I'm a constitutional activist.
That's fine. Here locally or statewide, region-wide?
Maybe. I don't answer questions, but maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have a nice day, Bill.
Yeah, you too.
Let me know what you think of this interaction. If you liked it, check out another episode, linked on screen.